TVM problems, beginning versus end mode. So let's take a look at how our calculator settings can affect our answers in this TVM problem. Alice invests $1,000 annually and earns a 5% rate of return. Assuming a 10-year horizon, what will the future value of her investment be using the end mode and beginning mode? That is, whether Alice is contributing to her investment account at the beginning of the year or the end of the year. So let's take a look at both of these solutions. So we'll start off with end mode. And her present value is 0 because she hasn't started investing yet. Interest rate is 5%. That's going to be the same for both equations. The time period is 10 years. And that will be the same for both again. And the amount she's going to pay annually or invest annually is $1,000. So let's look at the solution using the end mode, and that's what we have set up on the calculator. So we'll start by clearing it. Second function alpha 0, 0, and 0 present value, 5% interest for 10 years. And it's going to invest $1,000 annually. So the future value, if she makes her investment at the end of each year, is $12,578. That's how much she will have at the end of 10 years if she invests at the end of the month, or at the end of the year rather. Now let's take a look at the beginning mode. So the only thing different in this calculation is the mode on the calculator, and that is she's going to be investing at the beginning of each year as opposed to the end of each year. So let's clear the calculator, second function alpha 0, 0, and set it to beginning, which is second function, and the FV button, which is also the beginning and ending button. All right, so it'll be 0 present value, 5% interest for 10 years, and investing $1,000 at the beginning of each year. So the future value is $13,207. So if the end mode is used, meaning Alice makes her contributions at the end of each year, she will have $12,578 by the end of 10 years. At the end of 10 years. If the beginning mode is used, which means Alice makes her contributions at the beginning of each year, she will have $13,207 at the end of 10 years. The future value is higher by $629 over the 10-year time horizon using the beginning mode because the first payment is made at the start of the year, which means the rate of return is applied to the payment immediately.